there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to draw in a circle. And now leaving a gap coming over on the right, let's replicate that. And then we're just going to color that in black. For the eyebrows on the right, we're going to curve this line over. And then on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. In the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then again, just color that in black. And now for the cheek, beside this, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. In the middle of the head on the top for the star, we're going to create a small triangle. On the left hand side, let's replicate that. We'll do the same moving across on the right. Now on the left again, we're going to bring this line out and then in. And then one more time on the right. Now let's draw on our right arm. So coming down, we're going to curve this line out and then in. In the middle, we're going to curve this line up. And then again, one more time, just arching this line all the way around and then back in towards the top. Now on the left, for our left arm, we're going to curve this line down, across, and then back in. In the middle, let's curve this line around and then in. And then underneath, we're just going to curve this line across and then up. Now let's draw in the body. So coming up on the left-hand side, let's curve this line around and then down. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now on both sides, we're just going to curve this line further out towards the side of our page and then back in. On the left-hand side, curving this line around, in, underneath, curving this line around, back up. One more time, arching this line around and then up, moving across, replicating that. And then now we're just going to connect this together. And that is it. That's how you draw Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.